Hey everyone! Today, I'm going to show you how to integrate Shopify's Buy button. The first step is to log into your Shopify dashboard. Once you're logged in, click on the Sales Channel label. Search for Buy button in App Store. You'll see a list of results. Select the Buy button channel app. On this screen, click Install. Click Add Sales Channel to add the Buy button to your Shopify store. Once the Buy button sales channel is added to your store, you will see it under the Sales Channels group in the left sidebar. Click the pin icon next to the Buy button sales channel to pin it, so that you can easily access it every time you visit your Shopify dashboard. In this step, we will learn how to customize the Buy button and generate the embed code. Click Create a Buy button to begin generating an embed code. You have two options: Product Buy button or Collection Buy button. Product Buy button helps you to embed one product only. You can choose any product in your stores. All settings are laid on the left sidebar. There are explanations for every option. You can choose to embed a single product variant or all product variants. Any changes you make will be instantly reflected on the right. The right panel shows how your product will appear on your website. You can choose from 3 layout styles. Basic is button only. Classic is a simple card with product image, name, price and button, and full view displays the product card into column style. You can choose what happens. When a customer clicks on the Buy button, they can open the product detail page, add the product to their cart, or go directly to checkout. When you choose to go directly to checkout and test, you may encounter an error page. This occurs because you have selected the option to redirect to the checkout page in the same tab, but it will work properly on your website. To select the preferred behavior, you can choose between redirect in the same tab or open pop-up window in the advanced setting menu. The checkout page works just the same as in a Shopify store. In button style, you have the ability to customize the border radius and width of the button, as well as the background and text color, font family, and font size. The interface is super user-friendly. A tip is to try to make it fit the color scheme and design of your own website. It will look better when embedded on your website. The cart function is also embedded, and you can certainly customize it as well, just like you can customize the button. You can also modify the text and add note fields. The cart works in the same way as on a Shopify store. In the layout setting, you have the option to change the layout of your product card and typography for product title and price. Each setting is user-friendly and easy to use, allowing you to try them out yourself. If you select the Open Product Detail option, you can also customize the product detail modal in the same way as you do for the cart and layout. Once you have finished, click Next to view the embed code. Now, all you need to do is copy the code and embed it on your website. It's important to note that Shopify does not save the embed code, so if you want to keep and use it later, be sure to save it somewhere. You will need to repeat this process every time you want to embed a new product, so that why Shopify provide Collection Buy button. With this feature, you can embed multiple products in the same collection. All settings are the same as the product. When you embed on your website, it will display exactly like on preview panel. Actually, how to embed and make it display correctly requires basic knowledge about website editing. We will go through it in next video. Imagine you have a website with good audience, and you want to sell some products of your own, but you don't want to deal with the hassle of building and managing an e-commerce store. With Shopify Buy button, you can add e-commerce functionality to your existing website in minutes, and you'll be able to sell your products and services to your website visitors.